we need to find the sum of all rational terms in the expansion of 1 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole power 6. So we know the general term in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole power n, it's a multinomial theorem, is n factorial upon alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial into x power alpha, y power beta and z power gamma, whereas the sum alpha plus beta plus gamma must be equal to n. So here we can write 6 factorial general term, alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial into 1 to the power of alpha, 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole power beta and 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power gamma. So since we need to get the rational term, so here 2 power 1 by 3 whole power beta, so beta must be, so we can write beta must be either 0 or multiple of 3. It's 0, 3 and 6. So these are the possibilities of beta we can consider. And here alpha, gamma can be taken as, to get the rational terms, it's a multiple of 2, either 0 or 2 or 4. 0, 2 and 4 are the three possible values. And even we can take gamma is equal to 6 also. Right. And alpha can be taken any value. So let us consider the table. Alpha, beta and gamma. So that if we consider beta is equal to 0, and alpha also 0, then gamma can be taken as 6 because alpha plus beta plus gamma must be equal to 6. And also if beta is equal to 0 and if consider alpha is equal to 2, so beta gamma can be taken as 4. So 2 comma 0 comma 4. And also if beta is equal to 0, if gamma is equal to here 2, so here alpha can be taken as 402. And again if beta is 0, if gamma is also 0, then alpha can be taken as 6. So these are the 4 different possibilities when beta is equal to 0. And similarly when beta is equal to 3, so we can write, say gamma is equal to 6 is not possible, 4 is also not possible. If gamma is equal to 2, so 3, 2, and here we can say alpha is equal to 1. Again beta is equal to 3, if gamma is equal to next case is 0, then alpha can be taken as 3. So only 2 possibilities with the 3. And next again with the, if beta is equal to the next possibility 6, then we can take gamma 6 is not possible, 4 not possible, 2 is also not possible because the sum is exceeding 6, so only 0 is the possible. And here also alpha also 0. So this is only one possibilities. So let us consider the terms in each case. So we can write the first term 6 factorial upon alpha factorial, that is 0 factorial, 6 factorial into 1 to the power of alpha, that is 1 power 0, and 2 to the power of 1 by 3 whole power 0 is 1, and 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 6 is nothing but 3 power 3, that is 27. 6 factorial upon 6 factorial is 1, so 27 is the first term. And similarly second term, so we can write 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 4 factorial into 1 power alpha, there is 1 anyhow, and 2 power 1 by 3 whole power, there is also 1, and 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 4 is 3 square, which is 9. So 6 factorial upon, so we can write this is 15. 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial gives 15. So 15 into 3 square, 15 nines are 135. So 135 is the second term. And similarly the next one, so this is 6. So the next term is 6 factorial upon, again 4 factorial, 2 factorial into, again 1, and gamma is 2, so we can write 3. So again this is 15 into 3, 45. So 45 is another term. And coming to the next one, 6 factorial upon 6 factorial, and again here 1 into 1, and again 3 power 0 is again 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 0 gives 1. So we can say this is 1. So another term is only 1. And next term, 6 factorial by 1 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So we can write this is value 60 factorial simplification, and here 2 power 1 by 3 whole power 3 is, that is nothing but 2 power 1 into again 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 2 is 3. So 60 into 2 into 3 will get 360. 6 factorial upon the next one, which is 3 factorial into 3 factorial into, so here 1 into, and here 3, that is a 2 into 3 to the power of 0, which is 1. So we can write 6 factorial upon 3 factorial to 3 factorial will give 20. 20 into 2 is equal to 40. And the last one, 6 factorial upon 6 factorial into 1 into 2 power 1 by 3 whole power 6, that is 2 square, that is 4, into again 1. So 6 factorial by 6 factorial is 1 into 4, which is 4. Now sum of all the rational terms. Sum of all rational terms in the expansion, we can say 27 plus 135 plus 45 plus 1 plus 360 plus 40 plus 4, which is equal to 612. So 612 is the answer, which is option. It's a numerical. We can write the answer 612.